ones that are undupable. It's undupable. I've tried many. So this cream single-handedly gives me the best of both worlds. For years, I have struggled to find a powder that does not make me look cakey. Introducing this one. My hands down favorite concealer for everything, like covering acne, acne that is fresh, acne that you have played with and it looks red as hell, dark under eyes, undupable things, products that no matter how many products I have tried in the market, I couldn't find a dupe for it. Please, you might be in a country that you can find dupes for these, of course, but make sure to stay tuned because you might meet your next favorite product ever. By the way, how are we liking me with my new blonde hair? I don't know. What do you think of this? But yeah. Let's start with something related to my new hair. Since I have bleached my hair, of course, I needed to find ways to style it without damaging it further than bleach. And yours truly was able to find a solution, which is what is known for as heatless curls. I have tried to sleep with heatless curls all the time and failed until I found these. These look like your regular tube thingies that you do the heatless curls with, but these are from Invisibobby. Invisibobby is the company that started those coiled kind of hair bands, and they make these, and look how soft this is. It's like super, super silky soft. It's so comfortable to sleep in them in comparison to the ones you get normally from Amazon. And they come with those also coily kind of hair ties, which are less damaging to your hair. And I have been sleeping with this, and as you can see, I don't heat style my hair at all. I let it air dry, then apply a ton of serums on it, and then sleep with this, and then I end up with hair that looks after hours. So of course I woke up like what, 5 hours ago, and still my hair looks as if I heat styled it, and the weather was just not super good today, so it's not looking perfect. But this has allowed me to keep the integrity of my hair but not compromise on sleep. So that is my first unbeatable, undupable product. Still on the topic of hair, introducing the wet brush. This is the original wet brush. I had it in a fun color, which matches my room. Super inspired by Bridgerton, by the way. But I don't know what is in this bristles of the brush. This, when you curl your hair, this does not like remove your curls or waves. On the contrary, it makes your hair super shiny. And in comparison to a Tangle Teaser, this detangles my hair much better without hearing those noises of breaking my hair. So this has contributed hands down to the integrity of my hair. I've tried the dupes of this in the local store here to buy them, but nothing beats this one. Totally a recommendation if you want to have beautiful looking hair. I'm starting with the caring products, but I have tried many those things you put on spots when you have acne, and they always worked, but they were not perfect. Like I see people sleeping with them and the next day it's smooth and all the gunk is out. Until I've tried Mighty Patch once, the original one. I cannot explain to you, this single-handedly was able to stop me from picking my own acne, and I was like a super person at doing that. So once this was found, I think I stopped immediately because the appearance of the pimples got better. Everything about this completely transformed my skin. It's undupable. I've tried many, as I said, brands in different countries, but nothing beats the Mighty Patch. I think Vichy were the first to get such a product in the market. You know, I try to, in my busy life, get the best out of my day when it comes to beauty routines. I want to still look pretty even when I don't have time. And the best way I found is not with many products, but with being strategic to the products you get. So simply, I wash my face in the night and do double cleansing, but in the morning I don't wash my face. I just splash it with some water, and I use only 2 moisturizers. One for the morning, one for the evening, with actives in it. For the evening, Any moisturizer with retinol is good. You have to just make comparisons according to what is available in your country. For the morning, I wanted something with peptides and vitamin C. And having two serums, one with peptide, wait a bit, and then vitamin C was not going to cut it with my busy schedule. Entering Vichy Live Active. This has both. The name is like collagen specialist, but this has both vitamin C and good peptides for anti-aging. So this cream single-handedly gives me both, the best of both worlds. I love this so much since I've tried it. And look like how much is left in the tub. I couldn't find anything with this mixture other than buying two separate products, which we do not want to do. So this is my Un-Dupable morning cream. Moving on, we start at makeup products, okay? For years, I have struggled to find a powder that does not separate on my skin or makes me look cakey, because I'm not an expert and I have textured skin. My pores are big, so I needed to find something that works well. Introducing this one by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a pressed powder, super thin packaging. You can travel with this so easily, and I'm traveling all the time. This is a new one, like I didn't go through it yet, but this is my third pack of this since it launched. And I am not a person who repeats products, but I cannot live without this product whatsoever. This is what I set my makeup with, and my makeup stays like this. Like I have been outside for a while today, so this is the outcome of using this product. I cannot live without this. If this like, I think this talks of this product is living because of me. It's really that good. Give it a try at least once. Again, on a product that I cannot live without, this Real Technique brush. Real Technique is really good with brushes, by the way, and they're sold here in Germany in the drugstore. This brush, I don't know what's the magic. As I told you, when I'm traveling, I take few stuff. I cannot pack a lot of stuff with me. So I always pack this, and I make sure to put concealer, push it with this brush, then take from the powder and set it up. So I use this for blending foundation, concealer, and powder for my face. This is the only brush I use on my face. I'm usually applying makeup with my hands and then fine-tuning it with a brush. Probably it would be this brush. I love it to death. I couldn't find anything like it. And in that price point, this is Un-Dupable for me. Going to something Un-Dupable from the drugstore. My hands down favorite concealer for everything, like covering acne that is fresh, acne that you have played with and it looks red as hell. Dark under eyes, brightening the under eyes, staying for long, blending with your fingers, applying too little and having high coverage. This is hands down the best concealer in the market and in the drugstore. I think with this price, you cannot beat this concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour concealer, more than concealer. I love this to death. I was so surprised. There was a video for Kendall Jenner doing her makeup recently, and I saw that she used the same one. And then it just, just showed me that, okay, you are on the right track. This is really a good product that is unbeatable, I tell you. Not a lot of people talk about this, but mascaras for me are always not good at the end of the day. I put makeup on early in the morning, be it 7 a.m. I'm a corporate girly, so I go to work, and when I go to work, I want my makeup to stay for the longest period of time. By the time I'm at home, it's like 8 p.m. So that's like a long day. And then afterwards, maybe I'm filming, so I want my makeup to stay top-notch all the day long. And all mascaras, drugstore or expensive, the formula was too thick from the first coat. It makes my lashes look too fake. And I don't like that. I know that sounds weird. Most people want a dramatic effect on their lashes. I don't. I used to love the Lash Paradise, but after a couple of hours, it starts to drop some circles on your cheek. These are not for long-wearing people. So the best formula I found, and also for the lower lashes, because I like to apply on lower lashes, and I'm not going to purchase two different mascaras. Entering my favorite Un-Dupable mascara is from MAC. This one from MAC is absolutely amazing formula. I don't know what is in there. It's crazy. This is the Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I love this. The brush of this is very long and thin, so it even works perfectly with the lower lashes. But this is the most comfortable wearing mascara for a long period of time. And single-handedly, I don't think I have seen another mascara like it at all in the market. So it's hands down Un-Dupable for me, and I will keep repurchasing it forever. Speaking of forever, two very wildly viral on TikTok products are the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancing Subtle d'Eclat, whatever. This was supposedly marketed as a blush and bronzer and highlighter in one. They have different shades from it. This was the tester because it was sold out, and the lady at the store was so nice and she gave it to me. This is very viral at the moment on TikTok, especially the shade 11, which is sold out everywhere. Funny enough, I am wearing today this shade. This is the shade 10. I like this shade much more than the 11 because this gives me a bronzed look that is not too pink or coral. They have a pink one, so if you have fair skin, you can try the pink one, or you can try the 11 if you want this peachy, dark, with a red tone a bit blush look. But I am in love with the shade 10, and I definitely recommend buying the shade 10 instead of the 11. Unbeatable. On my skin, I have mainly 3 products only. This concealer, this powder, blended both with this and that put on top, and that gives me the best skin of my life for the entire day. I love it, and it's so easy to travel with this. On my face also, can't live without is this. Those are the liquid eyeshadows from Armani. They're amazing quality. There is a lighter shade of brown than this. I like it, but it's too light for what I want this to do. This is the dark. I think this color is Ebony, but the name is already gone from the bottle. But this comes like this with this angled brush. And if I put one dot in my crease here and blend, it will give me this light brown that I have right now. If I put it all over the lid, it will give me the dark smoky look, which I love. So this for me is a day to night kind of product. I love it on my face. It's really, really a nice look. Another Un-Dupable product for me is this bad boy. This is from Kylie Jenner, the liquid color with the pen. And I think this shade, I'm wearing it right now. You know, when you change your hair color a lot, you know that probably. Not all your lipsticks suit all your makeup products. But not this combo. This is the shade Bear from Kylie, and it came as a kit. And I got this on sale once, just out of curiosity to try the lip kits from Kylie Jenner. And I fell in love with this so much. This is almost finished actually. I don't know if you can see, but the tube from here is with this line because it's almost finishing. This is beatable, as you can see, and it's already halfway through the pencil. And I love this so much. This is my everyday lip combo. Lasts me all day. So I ate today and I drank coffee outside, and you know, and it's still standing on my lips and fitted my hair when I went blonde. It also fits my hair when it was brown, reddish brown, and regular cool brown. I love this so much. A recent product that made it to this list is this L'Oreal setting spray. It's so weird. It feels like a hairspray also when you spray it on your face, but it sets my makeup very nicely throughout the day. It's not so matte, it's not so dewy. It lets my skin move around normally, but is so quick to apply. It doesn't have this wet feeling after you spray it on your skin and wait a little bit. It's definitely replaced my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It also replaced my L'Oreal lasting spray. This is an undupable product, and I definitely, for the price point, recommend it. It sprays evenly everywhere, so 2 sprays really is more than enough for it. I love it. Last but not least, Un-Dupable, the Chanel polishes. I don't know what is the magic in these, but my nails refuse to keep any nail polish on them, but not this one. This lasts me full 3 days without touch-ups. And this is, for my nails, a big deal, because barely with Essie, with any other brand, it would last me maximum a day and I would be happy. But these are to die for. That's it for my Undupable favorites. Let me know from the comment section down below which of these are products you'd love and already have, and which of these you would test it out. Make sure to check all those products. I will list them for you in my LTK shop, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, follow my podcast. Also check my updated blog, because everything in my blog now is up and running in a different manner. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.